Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up a QuickBooks Online practice account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type QuickBooks Test Drive, then press Enter. This phrase is the quickest way to reach Intuit's official demo environment. Scan the results for the listing from Intuit that reads something like Test Drive and practice using QuickBooks Online. It should clearly show the intuit.com domain. Click that result. You'll land on an Intuit help page that explains the test drive. This page exists to make sure you're in the right place and to set expectations. The test drive loads a sample company with dummy data so you can practice without signing in and without affecting any real books. Scroll down the page until you see the prompt or button that links to the test drive. It typically points to QBO.Intuit.com Redire Test Drive and may appear as a prominent button. Go ahead and click that link. A verification check may appear, usually a simple I'm not a robot prompt. Tick the checkbox, complete any quick image selection if asked, and then choose Confirm or Continue. This step protects the demo from automated traffic and helps the page load reliably. After confirmation, the QuickBooks Online Demo Company opens in a new tab or the same window. There's nothing to install and no account to create. You are now in a safe practice file populated with sample customers, vendors, accounts, and transactions. Because this is a sandbox, changes you make aren't permanent, and the data can reset, so avoid entering personal or confidential information. Think of it as a playground for learning the layout, testing workflows, and trying features without risk. If a page doesn't load on the first try, refresh the tab or try a different modern browser. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't preventing the test drive from opening. Also, check that the address bar still shows an Intuit domain before proceeding. Note that the test company may vary slightly by region, but the access steps are the same. If you encounter a looping CAPTCHA, clear your browser cache or switch to a private window and try again. For privacy, never enter real bank credentials or upload documents in the demo environment. That's it. You've reached the QuickBooks Online Practice account through the official test drive. From here, you can explore menus like Sales and Expenses, preview reports, and familiarize yourself with navigation, all using safe sample data. When you're ready to exit, simply close the tab. You can come back anytime by repeating this quick search and click process.